Hello.
Hello, you're on with Bob's youngest child, Louise.
It's your daughter?
Oh, they work with me at the restaurant.
Adorable.
Yeah.
You're such a good father.
Oh, no, it's more about not paying regular... Whatever.
You want to talk to your daddy?
No, I want to talk to you. You've been selected as the subject of my important person school essay.
Shut up.
Oh, don't tell me to shut up! Question 1. It's my daddy!
God!
How did you first get into bank robbing?
Me and a buddy of mine, we just kind of fell into it. You know, I had a gun, I needed some money.
All right, kiddo, we've had our fun now. Hand over the...
Daddy! My daddy's in there! So, just a couple more questions. I know you're busy.
Give me the phone.
but
Give me that phone back.
Give it to me! You are being so rude right now!
Ow!
Ouch!
Serves you right, kid. Listen to me, Mickey. We need to talk.
No. You know what? I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the little girl.
Negative. You'll talk with me.
It's the girl, or, you know, I shoot somebody, I kill somebody.
All right, hang on.
Hi, listen, Mickey, you said you were a bank robber?
Hey, I'm gonna shoot somebody.
Fine, here she is.
This is Louise. I'm running the show now.